Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you and give you some information and instructions on how to find your Temu referral code. If you want to share your Temu referral code with friends, here's how to find it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Temu, and you can do that by opening the Temu app on your Android device or iOS device, or accessing via the website on your computer. As you can see in this video, I'm using my Temu app. Now, once you open the app, make sure you log in by clicking on the middle profile icon in the bottom middle, and sign in and register by entering your account credentials. Once you sign in, go to the referral section and navigate to the refer and earn or rewards section. This will be displayed once you log in to your account. This is often found in the main menu or your profile settings. So make sure you log in using your account. After that, locate your referral code by your unique referral code or link will be displayed in this section. You can copy it directly or share it through social media, email, or messaging apps using the provided options. And for the fourth step, track referrals. And check the referrals section to see how many people have used your code and the rewards you've earned. For additional tips, make sure you promote your referral code during sales or when new user can receive a bonus for sign up, and remind friends that they need to complete their purchases for their referral to count. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you find your Temu referral code. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.